Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. 6 men and 5 women have been nominated for the 2023 RJRGLEANER Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year following this morning's launch. Last year's winner and 2023 World Championship bronze medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is among the 6 women who were nominated. She is joined by 200-meter world champion, national record holder, and World Athlete of the Year nominee Shericka Jackson. The list also includes world champion Daniel Williams in the 100-meter hurdles, World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton, and Sunshine Girls captain Janelle Fowler. Fowler was the top shooter at the Netball World Cup, where Jamaica copped bronze and picked up a podium finish for the first time in 16 years. Meanwhile, on the men's side, the 6 nominees have 5 from athletics. 400-meter world champion Antonio Watson headlines the list that features World Championship silver medalists Hansa Parchment and Wayne Pinnock, along with World Championship bronze medalist Tajay Gale. Jael Hyde is nominated on the back of winning the Pan American gold medal in the 400-meter hurdles. The other nominee is rally cross driver Fraser McConnell. Meanwhile, there are 5 moments which the public will decide on by voting for the People's Choice Award. The category has Shamar Nicholson's first goal against Canada in the recent CONCACAF Nations League quarter-final playoff, Reggae girl Drew Spence for her free kick against Canada in the Olympic qualifier, Antonia Watson's 400-meter win at the World Championships, and so too Daniel Williams and Shericka Jackson. Interim Reggae Girls head coach Xavier Gilbert says the coaching staff is ready to cope with the demands of a must-win clash against Panama in their CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifier today at the National Stadium at 7 p.m. The Jamaicans must win both matches against Panama and Guatemala if they are to qualify for the inaugural staging of the competition in 2024, and Gilbert says the players are focused on delivering.
I was under pressure as a coach. Even the top coaches always come under pressure. And especially when the game is result-oriented, it's even more pressure, and it's added pressure. But nevertheless, that's what we sign up for as coaches. We're always under pressure, always under the microscope. But we can just give off what we can. And that's what we've been doing. Make sure that the team get the best preparation as we can. Things that we think that we might encounter, we prepare them for that. Areas that we think we can exploit, we also prepare them for that. And that's pretty much what we've been doing in our preparation mode.
Once again, the Jamaicans have been forced to use a largely inexperienced squad with the unavailability of the World Cup players due to a dispute with the GFF. Panama are leaders of a group with 6 points and complete their fixtures tonight, knowing a point takes them over the line. TVJ Sports has learned that Malines United have sacked coach Alex Thomas after just 1 season at the helm. This comes on the heels of the club sacking technical director Vassar Reynolds less than 3 weeks ago. The winless Malines United sit at the foot of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League table after 7 games with 2 points, featuring 5 losses and 2 drawn games. Their most recent loss came on Sunday as they went down 2-1 to Dunbeholden at the Stadium East Field. Harbourview will have to overcome a 1-goal deficit when they travel to the Dominican Republic to face Mocha FC in their second-leg third-place playoff contest in the Conaf Caribbean Cup. This after going down 2-1 to their opponents at Sabina Park on Tuesday. Harbourview went in front when Mocha's Clifford Thomas turned the ball into his own net in minute 15. But Mocha were level heading into the break when Gustavo Ascona scored in minute 43. And Jose Francisco scored a 65th minute goal to condemn Harbourview, yet to another defeat. The second leg will be played on December 3. Now Cavalier will battle Robin Hood FC of Suriname in the 2-way final, with the first leg set for November 30 in Suriname. The second leg match will be played on December 6 at the National Stadium. And the finalists for the Issa Rural Area Ben Francis Knockout competition will be known today, following the completion of the semi-finals. Former champion St. Elizabeth Technical square off with McGraw High at the Manchester High School grounds. The other semi-final pits first-time semi-finalist Happy Grove against 2006 winners Froome Technical at Glenmore High. Both matches start at 3 p.m. And that's it for your midday sports and the midday news package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.